Hello, friends. Welcome to your favorite channel Ulta Soch. आज आम किसी MCQ करिबा इंग्लिश टेन्स रिलेटेड गुड़े क्वेश्चन अच्छी ताको ऑनलाइन रे आम टेस्ट करिबा आपण माने लाइव रे आंसर लिखिबे तापर आंसर डिक्लेयर करिवि सेते बेले आम देखिबा कि को भली भाव रे केते मार्क के रखुचंती निज मार्क मध्ये आपण कमेंट बॉक्स रे देबे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। In 1619, the first African slaves dash in Virginia, USA, and by 1719, their numbers dash nearly 7 lakh. Option A, where arriving have been reached, arrived hard reached, have arrived where reaching, where going to arrive, reach, hard arrived, will have reached. Okay. सो कौन आपण मानकर आंसर आपण लिखंतु मु दउछि। सो आमे जानिछे सब बेले इन 16 ता माने कहबा के चाहूछि 1619 रे आसीथिले अमेरिकन माने, राइट। सो ऑल राइट, लेट अस सी। In 1619, the first American slaves dash in Virginia, USA, and by 1790 their numbers dash. Okay, this is the correct one. So आपण माने मध्य चेक करंतु आपनकर करेक्ट हैला कि नाही, राइट। नेक्स्ट जीवा। ओके, नेक्स्ट। We dash a lovely view of the Bosphorus and the bridges over it while the plane dash over Istanbul. आमे गोटे बढ़िया व्यू पाइलु जिते बेले जाउथिला। ये जो आंसर लिखंतु देखिबा कोन होची। सी करेक्ट, we got. All right, now we'll move to the next one. When they dash in Sydney Harbour, they dash non-stop for 3 months. When they when they dash in Sydney Harbour, they dash when they were anchoring, right? Wrong. When they dash non-stop for 3 months. No, right. When they anchor in Sydney Harbour, they will have been sailing non-stop for 3 months. कहीं केला एठी present simple लगट रोची, एठी will plus will have been रोची, right? Next, according to the new schedule, the whole team have accepted we dash every Monday and Wednesday next term, but I'm sure we dash back. We कौन हबो कोंतु। ऑल राइट, फाइन। जीवा नेक्स्ट जीवा जो मार्किंग लिखंतु। The prospector ran into town in excitement because at last he dashed some gold at the site which he dashed for months. Option अछि पांचटा। He this one, right? Answer is correct. Next Shiva. I expect you dash bored with working at the post office by this time next year and dash for more interesting job. You dash bored, it is and dash for This one is right. ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଯିବା listen the coach dash the strengths of our opponents because our team dash against them before the coach dash the strengths explain କରୁଛନ୍ତି is explaining right when I dash the alterations of the company accounts I was left it no doubt that the accountant dash money from the farm all right this is option A next jiba next is what next jiba likhiba next is according to doctor this time next week I dash around as normal and the cut of my foot dash completely so according to the doctor this time next week I dash around as normal next week I will be working right okay so your answer देखंतु ठीक अछि ना भूल अछि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जिबा नेक्स्ट आज हमरो सब टेंस रिलेटेड ही हमें करूचे shadow puppets dash in China and dash as far as Turkey and Greece today dash in China and dash originated this one right okay next आपण माने केते ठीक केते भूल करछंती 10टा क्वेश्चन चला आउ 10टा देखिबा right over recent years many skilled craftsmen and women dash their jobs in the pottery trade in the UK but gradually English proclaimed dash its reputation over recent years कौन करचंती lost करचंती have lost all right correct good answer रे ठीक ठाक चलचे पर्यंत is that easy सेते easy की आपण मानकर कोन होची देखंतु नेक्स्ट जीवा so after she dash to turn up for our appointment for the third time I dashed to meet her again she failed she had failed she was failing I had refused no this one right आपण मन का आंसर देखंतु okay next since I took part in my first debating match I dashed a member of the debating club which I dashed most weekends since I took part in my first debating match I dashed a member of the debating club which I dash most weekends this one okay first of all I have been next of all I attend wow going great next is टिके स्क्रीन को आसुनी मिस हो जाउची एनीवे कहूची जोटा ताको देखि दियंतु by the first half of the 19th century the potato dash the staple food in the Ireland in 1854 a disease dash which resulted in widespread starvation a disease struck the potato had become this one yes right the potato had become the staple food okay great very good जो मैंने आंसर दीचंती नेक्स्ट जीवा और एक क्वेश्चन को the origins of domestic poultry dash uncertain but experts believe that some breeds are descended from the Indian jungle fowl which still dash in India today the origins of domestic poultry origin uncertain kintu still in India are uncertain which still exists in India this one wow great as less sure but great. All right. Next, Iba. Next, in 1868, the U.S. government asked 7,000 Navajo Indians to return to their homeland, and since then they dashed the largest and richest Indian tribe. Uh, in 18 US government what has allowed this one. All right, great answer, good going. In 1960, only 3,000 American Indians dash at university, while in 1970, only a decade later, this number miss करुची थी, but dashed to 12,000. Increased. It we are studying increased, I think. Yo, great, good. You're great. You all are great. Now, question number 18. Today we dash a lot of transaction at £1 per kilo, unlike yesterday when we dash very few customers. We sold. When we dash yesterday, no, we had. We are selling it. This one, B, correct. Yes, correct. Now, is not that your daughter playing outside without a coat on? She does a chill. She has thermal vest on under her pullover, but you have a point. I dash her coat. She will be catching. I will fetch. This one, I think D. Yeah, good. Correct. Next, question number 20. The number of orders per week dash all year, and the sales manager is confident that we dash our target. Per week dash is coming that we dash our target. All year is this one has been reaching. Wow, great. Now, as the police dash the road, we dash a time consuming detour around the mountain. The police closed the road, made a time, no, had closed. This one, yes, right. We are right. I dashed some shopping during my lunch break, but I could not as I dashed awful because of my cold. I think A will be right. Yes, A is right. Very good. ये practice कले अपन grammatical error बहुत बढ़िया करिए. By the time the work on their house is finished, they dash the painters, decorators and carpenters a total of 80. They dash a beautiful kitchen though. They have finished. They had paid. They paid. Finish. No, wrong. This one is wrong. Then this one will be right. No. They will have paid. Oh my god, D is right. Yes, so sorry. Yeah, गलत हो गया यार. Next. I feel certain that Greg does in his new business because he does so hard all the time. This B. Okay, great. Before Peter these does poems in his native, he does all his poems in German. This one. Dita ji jota earlier seta habo perfect, past perfect, recent ele past simple. Yeah, right. Next jiba. I dashed some notes earlier and dashed to them during my presentation in the event. However, I did not use them once. I had written this one. Yeah, okay, great. Because of Istanbul's geographical location, it does a place of trades and civilization. It it has a place of trade since it yes, this one is right. Now question number 28. When Boris dash on 31st December 1999, he dash for 8 year. This resign ଯେତେବେଳେ resign କଲେ ସେତେବେଳକୁ ହେଇସାରିଥିଲେ yearly action, recent action. All right, now we'll move to the next one. The circumference of a circle dash its diameter no matter how small or large it. Circle dash times its diameter no matter it a general statement, so this will be present simple, right? Next, this is the last one. At present, British farmers to the government because dash to the government because the EC lifted the ban on British beef. जोटा स्क्रीन में नहीं, the French dash to buy any. So at present are protesting to the British farmers, are protesting them because are protesting. This is wow, great. So we have done 30 by 30. आमर स्कोर होची 95%. आपण मानकर केतेटा ठीक केतेटा भूल देखंतु. या सो नाउ गोटे प्रथमटा ठीक अच्छी तापरे ठीक आपण मान देखंतु. नेक्स्ट आंसर, नेक्स्ट 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 जिते आंसर गुड़िक चली ठीक ठाक रे से समय आपण मानक जस्ट कही रखुची कि आम मैंने ऑनलाइन रे ये भलिया एजुकेशनल गेम टाइप रो करिबा जोटा हमको इंटरेस्ट दबो आगु जीवाई और आपण मानक स्पेशली ठीक ग्रामेटिकल एरर गुड़ी को करने बहुत हेल्पफुल हम. सो आपण मैंने देखु प्रत्येक क्वेश्चन आंसर बर्तमान आपण आगे अच्छी. एवरीडे आम गोटे गोटे क्विज कंपटीशन ये भाया करथवा. थैंक यू वेरी मच माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. विल बी कमिंग विथ अ न्यू वीडियो वेरी सून. थैंक यू.